Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw lollipops. Hey kids, welcome! Let's first create two medium-sized circles on the paper. Now add two parallel lines attached to the candies and let them meet at the end. The stick can be rounded or flat at the bottom. Create lines and circles to decorate the insides of the lollipop. Color. Choose from your favorite colors. We are using pink, purple, green, orange, blue and yellow and choosing brown to fill the stick. Do you know that coloring can help you identify new colors and differentiate between them? When you color an object, it helps you concentrate and express creativity. Share this lollipop artwork with friends and family. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.